What are you guys throwing out there? Oh yeah, my Dmos shovel. And check out that, guys. Hashtag badass shovels. You need a badass shovel. This is what it is, the Dmos shovel. Oh, if I could just open this packaging tape. Ah. Dude, what do we got in this box? Oh yes, the stealth shovel. Boom, can't wait to mount that on the van. What else do we got in here? Oh, how about a stealth shovel mount? Dude, this box has got so much goodness in there. Oh, yes, another shovel. Oh, this is the Delta. This is the big dog. This is the one. This is the one that's gonna dig me out of those giant holes. Not that we get stuck, but if we do, oh. This is like a man shovel for a truck. Not those little wussy weenie ones. Oh, I just can't get it in there. Hold on a second. Look at that. It slides so nice, gentle, give it love. Boom! In your face, Dmos! Right there! Too bad we don't have, oh, boom, longer. All right, dude, that is the Delta shovel. This thing just feels strong. I'm gonna go dig a hole. I have asphalt out there. We're gonna go find something to go dig. Ooh, I know where there's some dirt. We'll go find dirt. Let's go get dirt now. We're gonna dig up trees that are growing in our concrete. Look at that. I like that. I'm actually hitting the concrete and digging it up. I'm digging up asphalt with this thing right now. I don't think you're supposed to dig asphalt with this, but it takes it. I'm digging a deeper hole in the asphalt than I am killing these things. Not what it's intended for, but it works really good for that. All right, I wanna go see the other shovels now. Now this has got me excited, let's go. All right, we don't need a box anymore. Dude, next shovel. Ooh, so this is the one that you guys saw us get to play with at Overland Expo. If you didn't see that, boom, card right there. It's gonna show you that. Oh, pull it apart. So, boom, serrated edge. I'm gonna go dig snow. We get all kinds of snow here in Southern California. Now be gentle when putting it in the hole. Can't even do it gently. Technical difficulties here. You gotta be smarter than the shovel. Smarter than the shovel. First thing I messed up on, guys, is when you go to put the shovel in the hole, even no matter how gently you want to do it, you just got to have this first little part undone, okay? Because otherwise it's gonna not allow you to get it in the hole. If it's your shovel handle is all the way collapsed, you'll see that it doesn't have enough room to get in there. Boom, in Austin's face. So when you go to stick your shovel in the hole, it doesn't work. Just pop this out just a little bit. Now, there it is. Now we can extend it out. We can go extend it out again. Boom. Oh, look at that. Do we go again? Oh, we go again! You see that? Look at this. I'm gonna come around. Shoveling boxes. These double as hockey sticks. If you guys want to play hockey, this is it. All right. Dang. So, this one, let's check these things out side by side. We should get the calipers out. We have to go get So they're about the same thickness on either one, so they should both be able to take up the abuse. All right, now we're gonna open up this craziness over here. Oh! Boom, oh, I'm losing my nuts. Hate it when that happens. All right, so this is gonna be the mount for this. See, don't lose your... All right, so, shoot, you know what we gotta do? You know where this belongs? This belongs on our Chevy Express van for SEMA 2019. We know that you guys are gonna watch this video, be cruising around SEMA and be like, dude, I need to come check that out. Man, I wanna like go cut a tree with this thing. Like, maybe? I don't know, maybe not. All right, so, dude, this stuff is awesome. Let's put it all back away. And then let's see how it goes in this awesome mount. So once again, once you pull that one off, boom, collapse the last handle. There it is, locked and loaded. And then this is gonna go back in its little home. All in one handy dandy mount. Ah! Luckily we got our handy dandy dull pocket knife. Did I tell you guys this is an awesome shovel made by Dmos? I don't know if I mentioned that. This thing is crazy rad. I love it. And you know what else I'm gonna love about this thing? Is this tiny little sticker right here. Tell me guys, like I know you guys want good products. You want products that don't cost $1 million. But you also want nice products made in the USA. And dude, we have it here, and you're gonna look at this on every part of their stuff. Boom, look at that, awesome, made in the USA sticker, knowing that you're getting quality stuff, quality parts. Dude, here we go, look at this, all right. All kinds of brackets. We're gonna have to read the instructions though. I'm gonna have to go find somebody else. I'm gonna have to go get Austin to read the instructions for me. So then, without reading the instructions, I'm just winging it. I need to go back on and watch my video. If I haven't told you, there's a video right here all about this. Ugh. You know what else? Now that is all in the mountable base. So you can see this on the back of this. This is gonna come with all kinds of different slots. So no matter what angle, what direction, where you want to mount it, you're going to be able to find mounting holes to do it. I love that. All in one. I'm gonna put this on I'm gonna make a backpack mount. I'm just gonna carry this around and just dig holes. All right, so super awesome, but enough hanging out here and just BSing. I wanna go install this on the van. So let's head out to the van and see where the perfect spot to mount this awesome Dmos shovel is going to be. Alright guys, so I have my Dmos shovel here and I have my awesome Chevy Express van that we're going to be decking out for SEMA 2019. So the biggest thing that when you're mounting this shovel is you're going to want to think about a couple of different things as far as if you are stuck, the accessibility of being able to get to it. So you're not gonna really want to mount it low. As much as I would love to tuck this thing up underneath there, I don't think that that's the best spot because if I'm buried in the rear, it's gonna really might be a little bit more difficult to get to. So as far as looking at different spots, I think that I could totally put it over here on this side. The only reason I don't like it on this side is the fact that it's just more in people's face and they may want to borrow my shovel when I'm not around. What's nice about this Dmos kit is that you can put a lock in there so it makes it a little bit more difficult. But because of this, just how small this Dmos shovel is, I really like the idea of putting it back here on the back side of this end of the box. It kind of blends in with all the black going on. So as I slide this thing open, you'll see like boom, like I could just mount this thing right there. I could still reach up, grab the handle. I think that that's gonna work out really nice. I think that that right there might be a good fit, except now that I'm looking at this, we have these two little, the hinges that are gonna open up on there. And I have some plans for the back of this box. I'm doing a table mount for a small little table on the back of this, so I won't be able to slide that out. So I think what I'm actually gonna have to do is make some spacers to space this off the box a little bit, which isn't the end of the world. So let's get some measurements of how far I need to make that. And we'll make some spacers, we'll space this thing off, and then we can mount this thing to the side of this box. And so I'll show you guys how to do that. All right, so I need to make some spacers for this, and I want them to be aluminum. I'm gonna actually take some pieces of solid bar and turn them on the lathe to make some 1/4" spacers. However, I don't have it, so let's go to buy some from Competitive Metal. Hoping to find something that's strapped in, but nothing, so we probably have to have it. Alright. Let's go see what we can find on the shelf. Alright, we really want a piece of 1.5" aluminum, that way when we're done with this, it won't extend out past the base of the shovel. So that's a piece of that. There it is, something so simple, but it's gonna make our life really easy when we mount this Dmos shovel. Let's go have some fun. Down in the down in the Alright guys, so I made my first spacer, and you can see as I put it up there, it is wider than the hinge, but what I forgot to do was open this up. And at an open position, it actually needs to be about 1/4 inch longer, so let's go ahead and cut another one. Luckily I bought a whole foot of material. Alright, spacers, these are the spacers that we made, and these are going to space this out. I'll tell you one thing I really like is that they give us these really long bolts, so if we want we can cut these things down, but this is totally going to work for what we need to do. Dmos bracket all mounted up on there. We have our Dmos stealth shovel. This thing is awesome. Can't wait to use this thing. And this just, now that this is all securely mounted up on there, that's just going to pop into place there. And then flat shut. And you can see as I wiggle that thing, I mean the whole thing is wiggling. And that's gonna fit nice and tight up on there, not gonna interfere with the tire, even with how we had to space this thing out. But overall, super easy to install. I really like the whole mounting bracket. It makes it really easy. And there's a ton of different options on there if you do need to mount it in some crazy configuration. But overall, thanks. So super big thumbs up. Thanks, Dmos. And let's continue the SEMA build. See you guys.